Deep inside the emerald heart of the great whispering forest lived an elephant named Eron. He was strong, gentle, and wise beyond his years, but he had one weakness. He always believed he must solve every problem alone. Eron was friend with every creature: tiny ants, colorful birds, playful monkeys, and graceful deer. Whenever someone needed help, Eron was the first to step forward. He lifted fallen logs, protected smaller animals from storms, and guided lost ones back home. But no matter how many friends he had, he kept telling himself, "I must be strong all by myself." One summer, the great forest suffered the harshest drought ever seen. Streams vanished, berries shriveled, and the air felt heavy with heat. Every creature struggled, but none more than Eron. He walked miles each day searching for water. He tried digging holes with his trunk. He pushed dry bushes aside, hoping to find hidden springs. Yet every effort ended in disappointment. His friends saw him weakening. His large frame, once mighty and confident, now looked tired. Still, he refused help. One day, Eron collapsed under the scorching sun. Dust rose around him as his vision blurred. The forest creatures rushed toward him, birds fluttering, monkeys swinging, deer sprinting, ants marching together. "Eron, let us help you," they pleaded, but he whispered weakly, "No, I can do it alone." The wise old tortoise, Tama, stepped forward. "Eron," he said gently, "the forest is built on togetherness. Even the strongest tree stands because its roots intertwine with others. Friends don't make you weak, they make you unstoppable." The words struck Eron deeply. For the first time he allowed others to help. The monkeys climbed high trees to search for distant water glimmers. The birds flew far to scout valleys. The deer ran swiftly along old forgotten trails. Even the tiny ants dug small channels to lead any drop of water toward shaded spots. Hours later, a macaw landed beside Eron with excitement. "I found it, a hidden lake behind the cloudy ridge." Immediately the entire forest community gathered. Together they guided Eron toward the distant ridge, supporting him, shading him, encouraging him. After a long journey they finally reached it, a crystal blue lake hidden behind thick vines and ancient stones. Cool water shimmered like diamonds under the sun. Eron stepped into the lake, relief washing over him, physically and emotionally. His strength slowly returned, but something else awakened within him: gratitude. He looked at his friends and spoke with sincerity. "I thought strength meant carrying everything alone, but today you showed me. Real strength is letting others stand with you." From that day forward, Eron no longer tried to solve every problem alone, and whenever anyone in the forest faced challenges, they worked together, not as individuals, but as a family. The great whispering forest flourished once again, greener and more peaceful than before, because its creatures finally understood the power of unity. Moral: true strength is not in standing alone, but in standing together. Teamwork, support, and unity transform impossible challenges into achievable victories.